Hi guys, in this video, I will be demonstrating the techniques for creating a highly realistic representation of an eye. To begin, we will sketch the outline of the eye using a light graphite pencil, such as an HB. It is essential to ensure that your pencils are always sharp. Now let us start drawing this part with a black charcoal pencil. Proceeding, we will utilize a compressed charcoal stick in the shade of black to flesh out the initial layers of the drawing. To add depth and dimension to the image, we will then apply charcoal powder, obtained by rubbing a 2B charcoal stick on a scrap piece of paper, using either a Q-tip or a soft makeup brush. Instead of using a Q-tip, sometimes I use a soft makeup brush with the same process. Now I go over to the other part of the eye. Now let us go over to the darker parts with a charcoal pencil again. To create the illusion of depth and shadow, we will employ blending techniques using a blending stump. Additionally, a mono zero eraser can be used to create intricate highlights and details. It is basically an eraser shaped like a pen. I like to cut it with a precision knife to have that pointy tip. Additionally, a mono zero eraser can be used to create intricate highlights. This is called a kneaded eraser, and it is basically an eraser that you can make any shape with. With this eraser, I make light tones like this. Now I am depositing in 4B charcoal stick to a scrap paper, and I apply the charcoal powder to the rest of the eye. Now I am creating necessary highlights with a mono eraser. This is an electric eraser. I like using it for more detailed highlights. First, let me sharpen it on this sandpaper to have that pointy tip. While an electric eraser can be utilized for more precise highlights. Now I am drawing the eyelashes with a charcoal pencil. Now take your Q-tip and blend like so. I want this part to be lighter, so I use a kneaded eraser. Next, I add small dots with an electric eraser, drawing eyebrows now with a 6B pencil, and adding highlights with an electric eraser. I also use the mono eraser to create the skin texture. Now I am using a clutch 2B pencil to add shadows to the skin. I am going all over the eye with a brush to blend everything out. Adding contrast again with a 2B clutch pencil. This is a white acrylic pen. I use it to bring the drawing to life. To finish the piece, we will use an acrylic pen to bring the drawing to life. And a fine liner for adding final details and textures. I trust that this tutorial has been informative and beneficial in your artistic endeavors. Kindly consider hitting the like button and subscribing for further tutorials.